Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Catherine, and today we are going to do Rice Krispie treats. Today I have these cups of Rice Krispie. I have 12 of these, and I'm going to use 10 of them. I also have this big bag of marshmallows that I got from Aldi's, and I have this non-stick butter and a wooden spoon. What I usually do is to spray everything that I'm going to use with this non-stick butter, because if you don't spray, it is gonna get real sticky. These marshmallows are very sticky. Once they melt, they are very sticky. So spray everything that you're going to use, your pots, your pans, your spoons, everything that you're going to use, make sure you spray with the non-stick butter. Or if you don't have the non-stick butter, you can actually coat everything you're going to use with the regular butter. So I'm going to cook these marshmallows at a medium heat for around 10 minutes. It's well melted and ready to be used. So I'm pouring the marshmallows in the Rice Krispie, and I'm going to mix them and blend them in. Make sure it's well blended, and you see how that pan, there is no stickiness on the pan. It's because of the non-stick. If you don't spray that non-stick butter or the regular butter on your pans, it's going to be very sticky. It's going to be very hard to work on it. So do not forget to spray the non-stick butter or the regular butter. So you give it like 20 minutes to dry, and it will be ready to be served. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.